Very good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this class of GK, we are going to learn about these some of the ladies who has been recognized for being first in their field. Okay, for example, Bachendri Pal. Okay, so she was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Okay, we all remember her. We all know her that she was the first lady, first woman to climb Mount Everest. Okay, so like that we have such ladies here, such women here who has who are being recognized for being first in their field. Okay, so let's just start. Women are no less than men in any field. Okay, as you all know that just like man, women are also achieving great achievements in their own field. So like that only, here are some of the pictures of great Indian women with a little description. Can you identify them? So with the help of the given box, we have to identify that who are these women. Okay, so the first we have is Bachendri Pal. So okay, so she was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. So she has made a record in our Indian history, or in the history, that she was the first woman to climb Mount Everest. Now the next we have is Mother Teresa. Okay, we all know that Mother Teresa was a very spiritual lady. She was being recognized for her work, for her humanity, for the work she has done for the sake of the society, for the sake of the people. Like she was very helpful for the people who needs her help. So like that she has helped many of the people in the society. So she was the first Indian woman to win Nobel Prize. So she has won Nobel Prize and she was the first Indian woman. Now next we have is Pratibha Patil, the first women president of India. We all know her that she was the first women president of the India. Now next we have is Indira Gandhi. Now she was the first prime minister of India. We all know her that she ruled the India for many years. Like okay, she belonged to the Congress party, like so on. Okay, now next we have is Sarojini Naidu, the first women governor of a state. Okay, in the history also she has done great achievements. Okay, by being leading the society and such things. Okay, now next we have is Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian woman to go into space. Okay, she was the first Indian woman from India. She was the woman to go into the space. Now next we have is Leela Seth. She was the first women justice of High Court. Now next, number 8 is Sub Lieutenant Shivangi. She was the first women pilot for the Indian Navy. Okay, she was the first women pilot of Indian Navy. Now next we have is Kiran Bedi. Okay, so she was the first women IPS officer. Okay, we all know her, Kiran Bedi. Now the next chapter we have is about the Indian state. As we all know that we have 29 states, Indian states. What are they? Like Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Union Territories. So including Union Territories, we do have there are 29 states, but including Union Territories they are 29. So this is all about Indian state. Their capital is given here, rivers, languages used in that state, festival what they people celebrate, dance, that the state in that particular state, whichever dance form is being performed. Now and the next is wildlife. Okay, that which park or the wildlife is followed there. Okay, so these are the states and their capital is also given, languages, their forms, that what people languages they use, what festival they do celebrate. For example, Gujarat. So the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, river is Sabarmati and Tapi, languages what people of Gujarat what languages of what people do they use, what language do they use? So their language is Gujarati and Kuchi. Dance Ras Garba and Bhavai. Wildlife Gir National Park and Manas National Park. So like that we have 28 states over here, so you can go through them, their capital, river, festival and wildlife. And this is all about Indian state. uh, next we are next is all about next chapter is all about the pollution. Okay, what do you mean by pollution? Anything which creates disturbance to our to the human society or the people. Okay, the substance or the things which infect us, okay, which create a problem to us, so that thing is known as pollution. You might be knowing pollution is of three types: water pollution, air pollution and soil pollution, air pollution. So there are many types of pollution. So pollution occurs when our environment is contaminated with waste, chemicals, with other harmful substance. Read the questions, tick the circles against the correct options. There are more than one correct option to each question. Okay, so the first question we have is, which of these causes pollution? So first is mild breeze, second is noise from machines, स्मोकिंग फ्रॉम बर्निंग लीव्स एंड ट्विग्स. सो पोल्यूशन किससे क्रिएट होता है? माइल्ड ब्रीज से, अगर मशीनों से आवाज़ आती है उससे क्रिएट होता है, या फिर स्मोक फ्रॉम बर्निंग लीव्स, या फिर पत्तियों को जलाने के कारण पोल्यूशन क्रिएट होता है. सो द आंसर इज सी. व्हाट इज स्मोक मेड अप ऑफ? स्मोक किस चीज़ से बनती है? सो ऑप्शंस आर सॉलिड वेस्ट, स्मोक एंड फॉग एंड वीड्स. सो द आंसर इज बी, स्मोक एंड फॉग. विच ऑफ दीज कॉजेज नॉइस पोल्यूशन? नॉइस पोल्यूशन किससे होता है? साइक्लोन से, चर्पिंग ऑफ बर्ड्स की आवाज़ों से, और ट्रैफिक से. सो द आंसर इज ट्रैफिक. विच एनिमल थ्रोज अवे थिंग्स एज वेस्ट? स्क्विरल्स, ह्यूमन्स और व्हेल्स. विच एनिमल्स थ्रोज अवे थिंग्स एज वेस्ट? सो द आंसर इज ह्यूमन्स. मतलब हम सबसे ज़्यादा वेस्ट कौन क्रिएट करता है? सो वी पीपल, वी ह्यूमन्स क्रिएट द वेस्ट एंड वी थ्रो देम एज अ वेस्ट. ओके, विच ऑफ दीज इज अ फॉसिल फ्यूल? कोल, petroleum or biodiesel? So the coal is a fossil fuel. Okay, it helps in combustion. Recycling is one of the ways to reduce pollution. What is recycling? Making a new product from waste, cycling from one place to another, reusing waste. Recycling is one of the way. Okay, recycling means to reuse, reduce and to recycle. So these three steps come into the process of recycling. So reusing waste is the way to recycle. Okay, which of these natural events cause pollution? Volcanic eruption, avalanche or dust storm? So the correct answer is volcanic eruptions cause in pollution. So it is one of the natural event, volcanic eruption. Okay, that means jwala. That means this is all for this class. So we should always say no to pollution. We should not create any pollution by wasting, by throwing waste in sea or in any of the water bodies. We should help. We should create. We should try to reduce pollution in some or the other way. So this is all for today. Thank you, children.